Robert Mugabe is a liar. Is a liar. Ngithanda njalo ukuthi ngifakaze ngigcwalise lokho akukhulumileyo yena eseGwanda. Robert Mugabe is a rebel. Uzikhulumele yedwa mina akazange ngikhuluma ukuthi is a rebel. Uthi yena wa rebel akuZAPU. Ayisime njalo uyakufakaza lokho namhlanje. Ngibe sensithi history amakhiwa athi history is stubborn. Ungaze uzabe konke okwenzayo but history is stubborn. You can never rewrite history ngeyakho indlela njengalokho okufuna ukwenziwa izalo. You can never write history as Zimbabwe ungakhuluma ngoLookout Masuku. You'll be a liar. You'll never write history as Zimbabwe ungakhuluma ngoDumiso Dawemo. You'll be a liar. Akudingi ukuthi ungazibhale kangaka but history is stubborn. Ungazifihle namhlanje newspaper izabhala lokho ekukhulumileyo. Nxa abantu abethu bekhula be researcher, they are going to research and find